What's the meaning of chalk? Chalk. Chalk.
Chalk. Chalk. Chalk refers to a soft, white, porous sedimentary rock that is composed of calcium carbonate. It has a powdery texture and is often used to write on blackboards or sidewalks due to its ability to leave a visible mark while being easily erasable. Chalk is also commonly used in construction, agriculture, and as a dietary supplement for livestock. Due to its abundance and versatility, chalk has played an important role in human history and continues to be widely used today.